Hello friends, it's been quite some time and I am glad to be back with a new topic at Tech Library. Today's topic is one that you have asked for quite frequently: how to view old Snapchat passwords. To any of my viewers out there, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to be notified when the next guide or tutorial is out. The first thing to try is to see if your browser has saved your Snapchat password, which does work if you once logged into Snapchat on your computers or mobile browser. Basically, on Chrome, locate the password options under the Settings menu next to Passwords, search for Snapchat, and click on it to display the password. However, make sure to have proper protection on your browser and the devices containing the saved passwords. Now let's go for the next method. If you use a program like LastPass or Dashlane for managing your passwords, check their Next Many People Forget Passwords and use password managers that safely store the passwords and aid in finding the misplaced one. What you have to do is search for Snapchat in your password manager and then you reveal the saved password. Password managers are the best tools to use in managing your passwords for all your accounts since they help in organizing them most securely. But in case you don't use a password manager, there is another way. If the above methods fail, the next course of action is to consider the Snapchat password recovery tool provided by the platform. Type your username or the email related with your Snapchat account. Follow the guide and reset your password. Be careful choosing a method of the password recovery, as your account can be endangered. Let me briefly sum up the information given. 3 ways to try and find old Snapchat passwords that were used in the past are: 1. Check saved passwords in your browser. 2. Always make sure that you have a password manager where you can retrieve your password if you had one. Lastly, make sure to click on the Forgot Password button on the Snapchat app. And that concludes our guide for the day. If you liked this video, do not forget to like it, share, and subscribe to Tech Library for more videos on IT and technical solutions. See you in the next video.